talking to you, not him.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! No!
On August 23, 2025, officers showed up for a domestic call, only to find the family had already done their job. The suspect was pinned down, gift-wrapped, and ready for pickup.
Oh my God!
Go back on the ground?
No.
Act like that. There we go. Stop moving. A second. Hey, come on. Get up. Come on. Look. Hey, you're a grown adult. Let's go.
You guys decide.
Te va a ir peor, Alondra. Te va a ir peor.
No. What do you want? No. What do you want? No. Let me go.
Not happening. Let's go. Come on.
What do you want?
You gonna walk normally?
You gonna walk? Walk.
Come on, stand up.
No, I don't get consent.
You're not kicking.
Let me go. I'm not going. I'm not. No. It hurts. Stop. It hurts. Stop.
Come over here.
I'm not. It hurts. I'm gonna bite you.
No, you're not.
Stop.
You're not gonna bite us.
Then stop.
Come on. Stay right here. Hey, listen.
Let go.
Stop. You're not gonna kick me there.
You stupid. It hurts.
Stop moving.
You're so fucking inconsiderate. Let go.
Are you done?
Let go.
Are you
Total chaos, screaming, kicking, crying, and even threatening to bite the cops. A full circus, starring one very unhinged performer.
I got it. You good?
Let go. It hurts.
What
You're
hurts?
asking me if it hurts. Let go.
Not kick me.
Let go! Let go!
No.
Dude, nobody's gonna want you! Let go! Find your f***ing happiness anywhere else! Let go! It hurts! Let go!
Okay, listen. Hey,
Stop! I'm not gonna listen to you!
we're not even touching you now. There.
Let go!
You're
Let
under
go.
arrest.
No, let go!
If you acted, if you behaved,
Shut the f*** up! Please let go!
oh, now we're definitely not. So
Let go! What else do you want me to say? Stop touching me!
well, you're under arrest. So. Mama doesn't want nothing to do with you.
Dude, f*** you! I know my mom doesn't want anything to do with me, but you don't want anything to do with me. Let go!
We're not letting go.
Let go, dude! Nobody wants you! Nobody f***ing wants you! Let go!
Until you calm down, then we'll let go.
Dude, let me hold on to him. Just stop touching me, please. Stop touching me. Oh my God.
You want to sit down?
Stop touching me.
Sit down.
You don't f***ing know what it's like to be touched when you don't want to be touched. Shut the f*** up!
Don't
Right,
kick
well,
Shut up!
That right one looks cool.
Shut the f*** up because you don't know what the f*** I'm talking about! You
I'm not
do!
talking to you.
Do! Shut the f*** up! Cállate tú, pinche pendejo estúpido con su puta madre! I'm talking to you! You don't know what it's like! Shut up! Don't
I'm
touch
talking
me.
to you, not
Don't
him.
touch me!
Can you
Don't
calm down?
No!
All right,
Shut
then.
up!
All right, then.
Shut up! I don't want you talking to me!
right, well, you're under arrest.
Okay, good for you. F you. You don't know what it's like to be touched when people don't want to be touched.
You just complied.
Shut up. F you.
I blocked it. You're not going to spit on me either. Do you understand that?
Oh, I bet you.
You understand that?
You're gonna sleep so good at night.
You're not going to spit on us.
Shut the f up.
You are not leaving this spot right now. Your head's going to stay right there. You're not going to spit on us. Understand that?
F you. F you. Go to sleep at night. I hope you go to sleep at night so good tonight. I hope you go to sleep. I hope you go to sleep so good at night. Tonight. Y que tu mamá tenga tanto pinche orgullo que tú seas un pinche.
You're spitting on yourself.
She screamed, spat at the cops, and flailed like a demon on caffeine. A full-blown storm packed in one body.
Your mom sleeps so good at night. Your
Now
mom.
you got to act bad to a police officer.
Tell me why you ruined my night and why I had to be out here. Tell me now, officer. Huh? Of course you're not gonna tell me. Nobody's cuddling you tonight. Nobody's gonna be the big spoon for you tonight. F you. What is that?
So you don't spit on us.
Your guy is tightening my legs.
Oh, he's making sure so you don't kick
we
us.
speak.
Yeah, because he doesn't want to get kicked.
Dude, I'm literally.
I don't want to get kicked.
Shut up.
Okay.
Stop playing. I'm 98 degrees. What am I gonna do to your 130 plus pound
Oh, I wish. No,
friend?
but you spat on us and you kicked us. So yeah. Yeah. She's kicked us already and spat. So.
Art.
Stop touching me!
Okay,
No, stop
okay.
touching me!
You're okay. Listen, the only reason that we're still touching you is so that you don't hit anybody.
I'm not gonna hit anybody.
Okay.
Stop! Tell me to stop touching me.
Okay.
Please.
This is me. I have my arm on your shoulder, okay?
Please just take it off.
If I take it off, are you gonna stand up?
Yes.
What's your name? What's your name? Okay, you're okay. You're okay. Let me get this out of your
I
eyes.
told them to stop. I told them to stop and they didn't stop.
It's okay. Okay. It's out of your eyes. All right.
I told them to stop and they didn't stop.
All right. Let me
Get
help
out.
you. Okay, let's stand up.
You guys don't understand, bro. You guys don't understand. What do you want?
Just be very still so he can loosen it, because if you move, it'll tighten more.
What do you want?
All right, come on, let's walk this way. We're gonna go right in here, okay?
No, but I don't need to go. I don't need to go. No,
You have to go for now, but you just gotta go get processed, okay?
I have already been there. I don't need to be.
Okay, well, we have to right now.
No,
You just
I
have
don't
to-
consent.
It's not a consent thing, though. It's because whatever happened with you and I don't know if it was your mom or who.
Well, if you want to call her, it's
Okay,
not. A
we will.
domestic-
We gotta go in here for.
No. It's not a domestic issue. I know she doesn't want me to go away, and I don't want to go away.
Okay, well, I'll go talk to her, but you.
No.
It's not a choice right now. We have. To
It
go.
is a choice because
No.
I'm choosing not to go, and I don't want to
I
go.
understand.
No, I don't want to go, and I'm not going.
Okay, but we have to go in here.
No.
We did all these things to help you out,
No, I'm not going.
but it's not a choice.
Dude, I'm not going.
I understand.
No,
but this
because she's making this more
Okay.
harder than it needs to be.
Okay,
You're
well, I'll go
going.
talk to her, but right now, because of all the things, you just gotta go in there.
No, I'm not going. I will sit right here.
We can't. We have to go in
No,
here.
I'm sitting on the edge
I-
with him if we need to.
Let's just go up there.
No, I'm not sitting
There's
there.
a chair in there.
No, no. If we're sitting, I'm sitting with you, but down here, but
We
not
ha-
there.
we ha-
no,
we
no,
have
no,
to
no,
go
no,
in there.
no, no.
Okay, this one's not
I'm
an option.
It is.
Hey,
I'm not.
I don't want you to get.
Dude, I don't. I
Listen,
don't
you're
agree.
going through enough.
No,
I don't want you to get in any trouble for fighting with us. I
Dude,
just want you to go.
there's already trouble enough. I'm sitting.
Yeah, but
with
you don't have to make
Officer
it worse.
Zimmerman. No, I'm sitting down.
I'll sit
No,
over there.
no,
He'll
not,
go
not
over there
there.
with you.
Right
See
there.
how there's 10
No,
No, we have to go in here.
I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, well then let's hurry up
No,
and go.
not there, not there.
This is the only chance we have.
I will pee on myself. No, I literally don't.
We literally will
agree.
get you there right now.
No, dude, I don't have to go, and I'm not going with you.
Let me just. Do you have anything on you?
I'm not going with you, and I don't agree.
This part's not a choice, though.
It is though.
It's not, because you're in handcuffs and that means you're under
No, it is
arrest.
because I don't have the money to pay for this. I
Well, I
don't
don't
have
even know that there's going to be a money that you're
Yes,
going to
there
pay.
is, and I don't have the money to pay for it. I'm not gonna pay.
A lot of things have changed where you may not have to pay anything.
No, because you don't understand. I don't have the money to pay for it. I'm not
Okay.
gonna pay. I'm
She
not
doesn't
gonna
have
pay.
any
I'm not gonna pay.
pockets.
I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna pay. I
Okay,
don't have the money.
okay,
No,
We're not asking that.
No. I don't have the money.
Hey, you just have to go get booked, Martha.
No,
Listen.
literally, I don't. You don't even know my name.
I know, I'm sorry. I
don't-
keep asking
no.
you and you won't tell me.
Please just shut up. Please just listen to me.
Okay, let me listen.
Number one, I don't have the money. Number two,
We're not asking for any money. You need to go inside.
because you don't have to f***ing pay for this, but I do.
It's not a-
And I'm not.
there's
No.
there's no issue about money right now.
Yes, there
There's no
is.
issue about going
Yes,
in.
there
It
is.
might not be an issue about getting out of the station.
Yes,
You have
there
to
is.
see a judge. The judge is going to determine all
And
that.
I can't pay
Okay,
for
but
it.
either
Just
way, you have
let
to
me
see a
go.
judge.
Don't touch me.
She refused to go for processing, so cops gave her two options: walk in or get dragged in. She chose the screaming, of course.
We're past that point where we have
Dude,
to go,
I'm
though.
staying
So you-
at my house. I
You have
can't.
two choices. You can go in by yourself, or we can put you in there. Those are your two choices.
No,
you don't have
not.
other choices.
I have more than one option.
Those are the two
Okay, let's
options.
go. Let's go.
I have more
Watch
than
your
one.
head. Watch your head. We don't want you to hit your
You guys are being so. Are you guys literally going against the law?
No, we're not.
Yes, you are. I'm done. I'm done going.
I want to put your seatbelt on.
No, I'm done going willingly. Let go of me. Just let
We're just
go
we're
of
trying
me.
to treat you with
Documented.
respect.
It's in our
This
camera.
is
It's in our cameras.
what are you gaining out of
This
this?
part we have to do until we figure out what's going on, okay?
What more do you want to
We have to go
know?
talk. I just
no,
got here.
I'm
I
not
just got here, so we
going
gotta talk to them.
willingly. I'm not going willingly. I'm going. No,
Do not put your foot there. It's gonna get
Stop.
hurt.
I'm going home, dude. Are you?
Sit down. Sit down. Making noise doesn't make anything different.
Discover is
She hit the jackpot of bad decisions, charged with aggravated domestic battery, assaulting an officer, and resisting arrest. Some people treat chaos like a career, and trust me, her shift isn't over yet.